So I'm getting things cleaned up in the garden. I have pulled out those watermelon leaves from out of this bed and from that one. That's where the Stay Green mix is. But I am on a organizing roll. I'm just feeling it this morning, and I'm gonna be changing a lot of stuff. And one of the things I'm thinking I'm going to go and do, and I know this could bite me in the butt, this could be very controversial, but this is my garden, so I do what I want to do, right? I am going to harvest my sweet potatoes. I don't know if there's even, like, I pulled up a little bit of spring, a little bit of root right there, and if this is what I'm growing in there and it's not no sweet potatoes, and I waste this time and space for this, that's gonna be aggravating. But the sweet potato leaves were delicious, and I probably will harvest some more when I take this whole thing off here. I'll probably clean me up some leaves and at least eat me some sweet potato leaves. But I'm gonna go ahead and pull this off here. Like I said, it could be where it's nothing in there, or they small, but see, like they're just now starting to grow, and I don't have ain't nobody got time for that. They've been in here long enough that they should have done something. It may be bigger ones down deep under there, and these are just other roots trying to grow and have some. Or this may be the size that I have, which, you know, I'll make some sweet potato fries or something. Not with these, but if it's a little bit bigger, I'm hoping that it is. Oh, that looks like promisingness. Okay. But yeah, I'm finna just roll. Okay, I'm seeing something. All right. I don't feel so bad even if I get 2 potatoes. I can't remember when I put this in here. I thought I put it back in February. We still have to like November before our first frost, and some people will leave it there. I just don't have the time or the space. I need this area. I got raised beds to put in. I need to get my brassicas going, and these sweet potatoes have had plenty of time to figure out what they want to do with their life, right? So, and then I have to let them cure for 2 weeks. I'm gonna have to get my little clippers. I gotta let them cure. If you want the sugar to come back into your sweet potatoes, you have to let them cure, which means just setting them in a nice cool spot and let them cure that way, like you would do your garlic and your onion. Same. Yep, I'm doing it, y'all. I'm doing it. When I'm in the mood for doing stuff, I can get a lot of stuff done. Good or bad, I can get a lot of stuff done at one time, especially with me having all these issues with my back, you know, and that kind of stuff. Sweet potatoes of this container are no more. About to flip this over and see. If there's anything. Lot of fire ants. Eek. All right. guys, this is what we got out of that big old container. All this soil. We still got some sweet potatoes. I'm still gonna let these cure. Some of those potatoes, they were ready and then they start getting bad. Like, let me see, like this. It start turning like I needed to already take them out. It started to go bad, so I'm gonna just cut that part off. Maybe it'll just cure, you know, seal and cure. But this is what my little harvest of sweet potatoes in this one. Look at this little thing, all the roots and everything. But yeah, that's my little sweet potato harvest from that big container. I'm glad I went on and decided to move, that I'm clean this out, because this soil can definitely be used for my brassicas. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I'm looking like a karate girl or whatever, but sweat, trying to keep the sweat out of my eyeballs. But yeah, that was a lot of soil for that little bit of potatoes. I do see where the roots were trying to go into the ground, because it has a hole at the bottom of this little half barrel thing. Let me bring y'all over here. I'm about to weed eat all this, rearrange all this out of here, so I needed it to be cleared out. But yeah, and it's ants, so I have to be really careful. But you see how they were trying to go into the ground and make some more. Look at the ants. Make some more sweet potatoes in the ground. Yeah, it's probably some under that too, but it got ants there. I'm finna weed eat all this up and smother it with some cardboard and raised bed, so they'll be down deep up in there. But yeah, I'm gonna move this bed. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it in the same area. What I'm gonna do, I feel like I'm accomplishing a lot, getting things done. Finished clearing out that watermelon bed. So yeah, I like this bed. I built this little bed. I mean, it's just, you know, putting some little boards together, but I kind of like it, kind of that, you know, Texas style wood. I don't want it all to be just metal, and I know the wood will break down, and I'll eventually have to put a bed here or something else. But in the meantime, I like this one, so I'm gonna leave this one up. The wood trim that's over there where the okra at, I'm gonna leave that there as well, and that's gonna be my in-ground bed. So that's my in-ground, and this will be my in-ground. These bricks right here, this bed, this is all going to be moved. I'm going to put my metal raised bed over here. I'll probably put that sweet potato soil into that one. Those bricks, along with these bricks, is going to build up. Let me get over here. It's going to build up this brick area. I'm going to leave this. This is kind of an in-ground bed here. And so I'm just going to stack the bricks up on here. I'm going to rearrange those. Those are leaning. But rearrange that a little bit, stack the bricks up for it to be higher, and I'm gonna fill it up deeper. And but yeah, I got some work to do, y'all. I'm not gonna overdo myself. I'm still in recovery, still can't go back to work yet, because I can't stay on my feet long. I take many breaks in a day if I can just sit down, and then I can't sit down long either, because then my legs start cramping. So yeah, until I figure out what is going on with my body, we're just gonna take a little bit at a time. I appreciate y'all being with me. Thank you for all my garden family that's here, that's subscribed to my channel. I appreciate every single one of y'all, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.